It's like 3 in the morning at Wild One, and I've been woken up because there were ants in the bed. They bitten me like all over. They're in my bag, they're everywhere. It's freaking horrible, man. Look at this. So many ants on the bed. They're going to be in everything. I'm going to have to dry out everything in the morning. But right now, how on earth do I go to sleep, man? The thing is, if you try pinching them with your fingers, they bite you as well. So I've been using these two GoPro batteries, and I just sort of squished them, the ones on the bed, and I did one massacre down there. I normally just let them be, but they've bitten me so much, and they're just everywhere that it's war. Tonight is just complete war. This is ridiculous. Good morning, folks. I survived the night. Fortunately, all the ant bites have healed also. I managed to sleep for a couple of hours after cleansing. Well, it was just brutal last night. But the sun's out today morning, which means it's time to air dry and sun dry everything. I would have done this anyway because today's a rest day, but especially because of the ant attack last night, extra paranoid about trying to get everything nicely sunned out and clean. So jacket's here, boots are there, my bag is here, helmet sunning out a bit, the interior liners, and of course the pants. Also, rest day is always laundry day. Oh, correctly when V is hanging his chaddis. Okay, I'll suddenly show you these leaves. Beautiful. His gear is out. Apparently there's a waterfall nearby, so we're going to like put everything out to dry and then go down to the waterfall, and after that we need to do some work on the motorcycles as well. So basically today's supposed to be a rest day, but actually it'll be a very busy day in good ways. You get to do things that you can't do while you're riding. Sorry, waterfall polama.
Pola.
Ready to dance? See, you have to do that knee bend. What to do? Like that. Okay. He has gone through. My turn. You got to bend your knees. You coming? Okay.
Everything gets you.
Everything gets you.
The leeches.
Seriously, leeches, ants, worms, thorns. I'm just prone to natural disasters. We just had a nice swim in the pool, and V's brought his portable coffee setup. So we're going to make some lovely black coffee
and have some over here.
But
We
we forgot
moved.
the cup.
We forgot the cup, but we were on that side and we went swimming because it was nice and sunny, and then we could dry off. And now we moved into the shade, and this rock will hopefully provide wind protection to use the stove as well. French press. This is the coffee grinder. This is the gas for the stove. That's the vessel for boiling the water in, and this is the adupu. Adupu means
Stove.
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 Are we getting water with spiders or without spiders? Oh, let's go there.
Lost times ago. Close my eyes so I can see the light. Time stands still while the sun goes round. Distant winds making silent sounds. Daylight waiting to come relieve the night. So let it shine, 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 shine on me.
Let's go sit there and closer to
Let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. Yeah, let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine.